Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to order from the Temu app using cash on delivery. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Temu app and log into your account. Browse through the products, select the items you want, and add them to your cart. Once you've finalized your selection, proceed to checkout. Next, fill in your shipping address carefully, including your name, contact number, and full delivery details. After that, move to the payment section to choose your preferred payment method. Temu currently offers several payment options such as credit cards, debit cards, online banking, and e-wallets. However, at the moment, Temu does not support cash on delivery. This means you'll need to pay online before your order is processed and shipped. Temu's no cash on delivery policy helps ensure smoother transactions, quicker shipping, and added security for both customers and delivery partners. Since no money is exchanged physically at the time of delivery, it reduces the risk of payment issues or order cancellations. So, that's basically how you can order from the Temu app and why cash on delivery is currently not available. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.